Hey, what's up? This is Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing a HEX fairing on a Softail model bike. Today we're going to be doing a Fat Bob, 2020 Fat Bob. Depending on what model you have, whether it be a Dyna or Softail or whatnot, you're going to have different brackets for your forks. So make sure you just get the right ones out for your forks. For the tools for this install, you're going to need a 4mm hex, a 3mm hex. You're going to need a 8mm socket and a 10mm socket. So depending on the headlight you have, go ahead and remove that first. Today we're going to be removing a Fat Bob's headlight. Today we're going to be installing the LP6 light on our HEX fairing, but it does work with other aftermarket headlights as well as our Advanblack headlight as well. Our kit does have different brackets. Make sure you order the right one with the headlight that you're going to be using. Once you get your headlight mounted in the bracket, you're going to mount your headlight to your HEX fairing, and then you're going to use these 4 points, and that's going to be with the 3mm HEX and the supplied hardware. Make sure you line up your holes and use the supplied hardware. It's 3M screw fitting. Keep them loose until you get them all lined up. Once you get them all lined up, go ahead and snug them down, tighten them down. It has brass fittings on the threads, so you do not need no Loctite. And anything that you tighten down, always do in a star pattern. That way it tightens evenly. Next, we're going to be installing the windscreen, and that's going to be, you're going to use a 10mm and you're going to use a 4mm hex. Go ahead and set it on the inside, hold it with one hand, and just you're going to put the screws in with a washer on the outside and a washer on the inside. To prevent it from scratching the paint. And I'm just going to get it hand tightened first and then get them all in there. Do the two sides first. It can support itself. And you're going to repeat this with the remaining 5 more bolts. Once you get everything in there, you can go ahead and tighten them down. Alright guys, with the LP6 light, you are going to have to run some wires through underneath the frame and connect it to the battery. One simple wire, that's it. Depending on your headlight system, go ahead and follow the instructions per the manufacturer's recommendations. Alright, as simple as connecting the LP6 harness to the stock harness, and then that's where you connect the light at. Alright, so as soon as you get done with your headlight and your windscreen on your fairing, you're going to install your brackets. These are marked right and left. They are different directional slats. So make sure, one, you find the correct diameter for your forks, and then two, make sure you put them on the right side. So I also like to start with just a bolt up top. That way they stay together and they don't fall on me. So we'll start with one. We are starting with the right one, and like I said, they are directional. They are also marked right and left with an R and an L. So get the hardware hand tight, because you will be moving these around. So don't tighten them until you're certain you know where you want them. All right, now we're going to go ahead and tighten them up, get them singed up a little bit. You're going to use a 4mm hex and an 8mm socket to get them nice and tight. Make sure when you guys put them on, you guys make sure these rubber seals on the inside, or the rubber tracks on the inside are lined up correctly, because sometimes they get a little out of whack. So all we're doing is getting these a little tighter. That way they can be held in place by their own strength, instead of trying to balance, doing the balancing acts while mounting the fairing. So yeah, once I get to the tightness where I need them, they'll stay. All right, guys, make sure when you put it on the mounting brackets, you do it evenly on the brackets, making sure that the fairing mounts up nice and easy, nice and smooth. All right, all we got to do is plug in the light. There it goes, there it goes. Once you go ahead and get it lined up with all the threads, then you can go ahead and put your nuts on your bolts. It takes a little bit of massaging, but it eventually go in. And just hand tighten them, get them threaded a little bit before wrenching them down. Also, the supplied hardware they are lock nuts, so you do not need any thread locker. All right, guys, last but not least, when you're going to tighten these down, it is a 10 mil. Just go ahead and tighten them down nice and snug. All right, final test, make sure lights work. Good to go. All right, guys, that's our install with our hex fairing on our LP6 Baja design light. If you have a different light, make sure you order the right bracket on advanblack.com. See you next time.